Have you noticed your mornings just aren't the same anymore? I'm not talking about the creak in your knees or the stiffness in your back. I'm talking about the kind of stiffness that used to greet you without fail. If you're a man over 50 and those early signs of vitality have faded, you are not alone. But here's the good news. There's a simple nighttime drink made from ingredients you probably already have at home that can help restore stronger, more reliable morning wood naturally. And in this video, I'll not only show you the exact drink, but I'll explain why it works, how to prepare it, and how to multiply its effects with a few simple evening habits. Stay with me until the end because I'll also reveal the #1 nighttime mistake most men make that silently kills morning erections. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you care about staying strong and healthy after 50, and drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. I'd love to know how far this message is reaching. Now let's clear up a big misconception. Most men think morning wood is just about intimacy or desire, but here's the truth. Morning erections are one of the most reliable signs of overall male health. Each morning, erection is your body's quiet way of saying, your blood vessels are open, your hormones are balanced, your nervous system is firing properly. When you wake up firm, it's not just desire. It's proof that your circulation, testosterone, and sleep cycles are all working in harmony. But when those morning erections fade or disappear, that's not just old age. More often than not, it's an early warning sign. Think of it like the check engine light in your car. You wouldn't ignore that glowing light on your dashboard. Morning wood is your body's version of that warning. If it's consistently weak or missing, it's your system saying, hey, something's off, pay attention. And here's the part most men don't realize. The single biggest driver behind morning wood is blood flow. Yes, desire plays a role, but physiologically, erections are circulation events first, intimacy events second. When your arteries can carry oxygen-rich blood during the night, your body responds in the morning. That's why men with healthy hearts and flexible arteries often enjoy strong erections well into their 60s and 70s. Hi, I'm Dr. Jocelyn. I've been working with men for the past 5 years, helping them restore energy, vitality, and performance naturally. And one of the most overlooked secrets I've seen, both in research and in my practice, is how much what you drink before bed shapes your performance the next morning. Because your body does its most important repair work while you sleep. This is when testosterone production surges. This is when your arteries heal and relax. This is when your nerves reset. Give your body the wrong fuel before bed. Alcohol, sugary sodas, or late-night caffeine, and you quietly sabotage these systems. But give it the right fuel, a simple circulation-friendly drink, and you prime your body to wake up stronger, firmer, and more alive. So let's break it down together. The nighttime drink, warm water, plus lemon, plus beetroot, powder, plus honey. Sounds simple, right? Let's see why it works. 1. Warm water. Biologically, keeps you hydrated, prevents thicker, sludgy blood, and improves nutrient absorption overnight. Emotionally, warmth signals your body to unwind, preparing you for deep rest. Practically, it's soothing, easy, and sets the stage for relaxation. 2. Fresh lemon juice. Biologically, packed with vitamin C, which helps your body produce nitric oxide, the key chemical messenger that relaxes and opens blood vessels. Emotionally, waking up with stronger circulation brings confidence and reassurance. Practically, just half a lemon squeezed in, affordable, accessible, and fast. 3. Beetroot powder, the star ingredient. Biologically loaded with natural nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide overnight, literally priming your pelvic arteries. Emotionally, men often notice a difference in firmness and stamina within weeks, like turning the clock back. Practically, easy to stir into water, cost-effective, and backed by studies showing measurable improvements in circulation. 4. Honey, optional. Biologically, a small spoonful stabilizes blood sugar, keeping testosterone steady. Emotionally, prevents that restless, low-energy crash that can interfere with hormone rhythms. Practically, makes the drink pleasant so you'll actually stick with it. That's it. No pills, no expensive supplements, just 3 to 4 natural ingredients working in synergy with your body. Why it works while you sleep. Your body isn't idle at night, it's busy repairing. Beetroot nitrates become nitric oxide, feeding your arteries. Vitamin C from lemon keeps vessels flexible. Honey stabilizes insulin, protecting testosterone. Warm water supports hydration and nutrient delivery. So by the time you wake up, your arteries are relaxed, your hormones are balanced, and your erectile tissue is nourished. That's why so many men notice their mornings feel different, stronger, fuller, more reliable. But here's where men get it wrong. Too many men think one drink fixes years of decline overnight. It doesn't. The truth is, consistency is key. The first night, you may not notice much. After a week, firmer, more frequent responses. After a month, many men report stronger erections, better energy, and even improved mood. It's like exercise. Small, consistent effort builds lasting results. Extra boosters, simple add-ins. Want to make the drink even stronger? Add a pinch of ginger powder, reduces hidden inflammation, supports blood vessel relaxation. A dash of cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, protecting testosterone overnight. Both add flavor, both layer on extra benefits. Evening habits that multiply results. The drink is powerful, but the habits around it make all the difference. A 10 to 15-minute walk after dinner helps circulate the nitrates from beets into your bloodstream, primes your arteries before you even lie down. Deep, uninterrupted sleep. Testosterone peaks during your deepest sleep. Staying up late scrolling or watching TV robs your body of this natural hormone surge. Hydration all day. Erections require fluid. Thick, dehydrated blood is harder to circulate. Think of water as your body's delivery system for oxygen and nutrients. The number one nighttime mistake that kills morning wood. You've been waiting for this one. The biggest erection killer at night is alcohol. Yes, that relaxing nightcap is secretly sabotaging you. It dehydrates you. It shrinks testosterone production. It blocks nerve signals that trigger erections. Even a couple of drinks can ruin your body's ability to respond in the morning. So if you truly want this drink to work, skip the alcohol, replace it with this natural circulation booster, and watch the difference. Here's exactly what to do tonight. 1 cup of warm, not boiling water. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Stir in 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. Optional, half a teaspoon of raw honey. Optional add-ins, pinch of ginger or cinnamon. Drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Repeat nightly. Pair with light movement after dinner, steady hydration during the day, and good sleep hygiene. Gentlemen, listen. If your mornings have been weaker lately, it doesn't mean you're broken. It doesn't mean your best days are behind you. It simply means your body is asking for better fuel and care. Morning wood is not just about intimacy. It's about dignity, confidence, and knowing your body is still working with you, not against you. This small ritual can help you reclaim that. So here's my challenge. Tonight, skip the alcohol. Skip the late night coffee. Instead, prepare this simple circulation-friendly drink. Do it for a week. Notice how your mornings feel. Notice the difference in energy, mood, and confidence. Because here's the truth. Age is not the end of vitality. Your body can still surprise you. Small, consistent changes can bring back strength, freedom, and confidence you thought were gone. If you found this video helpful, hit like, make sure to subscribe for more science-backed men's health advice, and drop a comment below. Do you still wake up with morning wood? If not, how long has it been? Let's start the conversation. Gentlemen, you are not done yet. Your mornings can be powerful again, your body can rise to the occasion again, and it starts with one simple drink tonight.